Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Primal Axolotl in Fish It. I'm going to show you the location to get this legendary tire creature and also the bait combo that you need. So the Primal Axolotl in Fish It is located inside the ancient ruin. If you don't know, it is deep like cave inside the Sakura Temple in the ancient jungle. So for the rod and bait combo in here, I'm using the element rod with Singularity bait, and as for the exact locations, I got it while I fish in these locations right here, facing these pools right here. And if you want to, you can also use the luck totem or maybe luck potions so that it will increase your odds to catch the axolotl. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.